In today's video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted task in Asana. We've all done it, deleted the wrong thing and felt that jolt of panic. The good news is that in Asana, a deleted task isn't gone forever, and getting it back is quick and easy. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. First, let me show you what happens when a task gets deleted. I'll right-click on a task to bring up its menu, then choose Delete Task, right down there at the bottom in red. And it's gone, vanished from the list. But here's the part everyone misses. Look down in the bottom left corner of the screen. The instant you delete something, Asana pops up a small notification that says Task Deleted, and right beside it, a button labeled Undo. That Undo button is your safety net. I'll click Undo right now, and watch the task reappear. And just like that, it's back, exactly where it was, with all its details intact. That little notification is the fastest way to reverse a mistake. But do act quickly, because it only sticks around for a few seconds before it fades away. Now, what if you closed that notification, or it disappeared before you caught it? Don't worry, you can still recover tasks from your account's deleted items area, where Asana holds on to deleted tasks for 30 days, giving you a much longer window to bring something back from the trash. So to recap,